Comparing home security options for beginners. Are you looking to secure your home but not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll compare the top home security options for beginners so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's start with professional home security systems. These systems include 24/7 monitoring, smart home integration, and easy-to-use mobile apps. They're reliable and often come with features like video doorbells and environmental sensors. However, they usually require monthly fees and long-term contracts. Professional systems are perfect for those who want top-notch security without worrying about setup. Next, we have DIY home security systems. These are self-installed, customizable, and often more affordable. You can skip the contracts and enjoy flexibility, but you may need to handle some tech setup yourself. If you're looking for specific devices like video doorbells or smart cameras, smart home security devices are a great choice. They're affordable, easy to install, and work with smart assistants like Alexa. However, they don't provide centralized protection or professional monitoring. Finally, there are basic local alarm systems. These are low-cost options that use loud alarms to alert you of intruders. They're simple and budget-friendly, but lack remote monitoring or smart features. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide. Professional systems offer the most reliability, but can be pricey. DIY systems are flexible and budget-friendly. Smart devices are ideal for specific needs. Local alarms work well for basic protection. Choosing the right home security system depends on your budget, home size, and the level of protection you need. Which one suits you best? Let us know in the comments below.